guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we have a really quick install video. We are actually going to be upgrading the puddle lights, and we're going to put something cooler. You know, the standard puddle lights are like this, just regular yellow orange looking, kind of dull dim light to kind of see what's on the ground. From the factory you can get either like the M logo or the BMW symbol or logo, where it shows on the floor. But you know, I wanted to kind of spice it up a little, like a cool little piece where, you know, when people see it, they're like, oh, that's kind of cool, right? You kind of see it, and it's an easy thing to do. You don't need a lot of tools. All you need is a little pry tool like this to pop it out, and then you switch it out. I got these here. These are the ones we're going to be switching it out to. And it's supposed to be kind of, I don't know, it's like an M Performance logo, because this car is an M Performance 535i, and I thought it would be a cool little symbol on the ground. It would look like, online it looked really cool, so I'm hoping it'll look good in person. As you can see, we have a lot of here we go, M symbols around, so why not add one more? This is not an M5. Let's be honest, this is an M Performance edition, or M Sport edition. I don't know what they call it, whatever it is. And you know, I just want to do something to kind of spice it up, make it look a little nicer, something kind of eye-catching. You've seen we've done the Audi, and it looks really cool. I'll link it up above here so you can see how the Audi one looks. And you know, if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. I believe I get a 5% discount if you go to the Beamer Plug or Beamer Post, one of those websites. I get 5% off. I'll put the link down below just to be sure, so you guys can see it. And let's get to this install. Should be really easy. Alright guys, so we're just going to take our little pick here, shove it in the front, pop it down like that, pull it down so we can get to the plug in the back. Let's see, and it should be just a squeeze. We should be able to pull this out. Whew. Be careful, if it's on too long, it's going to get hot. Looks like it has a little tab on one side. See if I can grab it with my nail. There we go. Pop that one out. These are labeled left and right, so we should be good. And now we just gotta plug it in. I think I did it right. I think it's this way. There we go. Get that up. Boom. Voila. There we go. Looks pretty good. Color is really vivid. Pretty nice. Really easy install, as you can see. Just one plug. Pull it out, plug it back in, and you're good to go. Let's move on to the next side and finish this up. Alright guys, we're back in the house. I'm gonna insert some video here of the puddle lights before and after, when it's darker out, so you get a better view of how it looks on the ground. And let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, here is the before. The yellowish light at the bottom for your puddle light, and this is the after. Very bright, very clear. I'm impressed. And this, you know, changes it up a little bit. Alright guys, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, we're really trying to push to get to that next goal of 4,000. So if you're here, you like the videos, and you want to see more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video.